Alright, well, trying something just a little bit different, so I thought I'd share it. Very minor, but I think it'll make a difference. So, usually I don't carve around the edges when I make these birdhouses. But I thought for this one, it's a mountain theme, so I'll try continuing the mountain, a continuous mountain around the edges, kind of like this. So that's all. So all I'm doing is taking the side and I'll make a mark here where this mountain goes around the edge. Just a little mark. And trying to incorporate some knives and gouges lately. So I'll just take my knife and make a stop cut, I believe they call it. Like that. And then I'll come down and kind of round this off a little bit. Across the top. And it is kind of fun using a knife. I'm really starting to like it. I still like using a Dremel, but this is nice. So there, got the top there, and then I'll come and round it off on the edge a little bit. Like this. Yes, I do have a lot to learn. Still learning. A lot to learn, especially with the knives. And let's see, which one was it? I think this one? Yeah. No. This one. There. That's the idea. Is then I'll have this, I'll probably round that off a little bit more. And then that lower edge, that lower ledge there in the mountain, I'll probably do a little bit right there too. But anyway, that's the idea. Thought I'd share. Take care and God bless.